Join me as I try to whip up the most fall-off-the-bone oxtail stew you've ever tasted. Can I make a recipe you'll crave forever? Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Coat the oxtail in flour. This is to brown the meat effectively and to have that thick, rich, velvety gravy. A list of ingredients will be in the description box below. Please kindly watch the ads so that our lights are kept on. Many people who have never worked with oxtail shy away from cooking it because they think it's difficult or time-consuming. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Don't let it intimidate you. Heat the pan until it's smoking hot, then add the oil. We are searing on high heat. Sear the meat on every side. A good sear on the meat will lock in those juices. That's where the magic happens and the stew starts to come together. Do not turn the meat until it's brown. For more easy, delicious recipes, please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It's free to subscribe. Once it's browned, take it out of the pan and place it on a plate. Reduce the heat to medium. Do not wash the pan. Chop an onion into chunks. Set it aside. Chop the celery stalks into chunks and set aside. Heat the garlic cloves with the blunt side of the knife to loosen its peels. Slice them thick and set them aside. The reason it's in chunks and thick, it's because we're going to cook the stew longer. Saute the onion, the celery until they are soft and fragrant. Your oil should be hot even though the heat is on medium. Add the chopped garlic and stir. I wanted to mention that the celery is optional. Remember, we cook with what we have. Add the fresh rosemary. Don't be afraid to get a little creative with herbs and spices. Add back the meat with its juices. The herbs and spices is what gives the stew its personality. Add the bay leaves, followed by oregano or oregano, followed by turmeric powder. Add the smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked one, it's okay, the normal paprika. Add the cumin powder. Add the salt. This time I've used the sea salt, followed by the black pepper. Then a little bit of sugar, that's optional. Stir, allow all the ingredients to fry for a minute or two whilst they melt together. Do not rush them. You'll be amazed at how simple ingredients can create such a complex flavor profile. Add the beef stock, or what some call beef bouillon. I'm crumbling it with my clean hands. Then add hot water. Stir and reduce the heat to low. And close the lid. Let it simmer for 3 hours, stirring every 30 minutes. If the liquid dries, add more. This is a vegetable stock, but you can add water. If you have a different variation of preparing the oxtail, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Add the tomato paste, followed by soy sauce. If you don't have dark soy sauce, use any that you have. Stir. 30 minutes before it's ready, add your vegetables, your potato, carrots, and baby sweet corn, whichever you prefer or have. Here I almost forgot my tomatoes. Cut them into chunks and add them. Please press the like button below to populate this video. When the oil sits on top in clusters and the meat is soft and tender, and the gravy becomes rich, thick and flavorful, it will be ready. The best part about the oxtail is that it's perfect for any occasion, whether you are feeding a crowd or you are cooking for one. I've garnished it with fresh parsley. I hope you will enjoy this oxtail recipe. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.